Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you Magpie's latest glitter collection. I think this is my most favourite glitter collection that they've released. I know I say this all the time, but this is unlike anything Magpie have released before because they are black two-faced tone glitters. They are all famous sisters, so just like the iconic women collection, that is my second favourite collection now. If you haven't used the iconic chromes, they're all named after iconic women, and they are my favourite chromes to use. If you're struggling with your chromes or haven't got a good chrome, definitely get your hands on them. If you're still struggling, then you can come on the Silver Nail Art Masterclass. I'll leave all the educators' links there for you guys to check out. While I'm on the subject of education, if you follow me on social media and the other educators, you will know that we attended boot camp a couple of weeks ago in Magpie HQ. It was so much fun. I always feel so lucky to be part of such an amazing team. So that was great. We were put through our paces for our acrylic training and our gel extension training. So with that being said, the gel extension courses are going to be available to book from the end of October, and acrylic is going to be next year. So do get in touch with your nearest educator. We have educators worldwide. If you guys want to come on any courses, we've got right from beginner to right experienced techs. But I know today you just want to see the new glitters. So I'm going to show you all the glitters, I'm going to compare them to each other, and then I'm going to show you a few extra bits as well that I got from Magpie. So let's get straight into it. Right, so I'm going to begin with Paris and Nikki. Now, the camera really was not doing these guys justice, so I'm gonna show you guys here. Yeah, even in that daylight, it is looking much better than what my camera was. So nice. So Paris and Nikki are purple, and you see Paris is the finer one and Nikki is the chunkier one. But yeah, there's the window. Are you seeing that? So it's like two-tone chameleon shift. So they're really nice. They are like your purple tone. Then we've got Kim and Courtney. These might be my favourites. These are slightly more pinky toned. So Kim is your finer one, Courtney is your chunkier one. Really nice. Then we have Beatrice and Eugene. These are like proper Halloween. I think anyone getting Halloween nails are gonna go for these ladies because they are like black and purpley green. Super nice. Next up we have Latoya and Janet. They are like, yeah, dark purple and dark green. Super pretty too. Then we have Joan and Jackie. They are green and blue. They are really nice. That's going to be super popular, I know already. Super popular. And then finally we've got Kylie and Danny. Oh, I didn't tell you which ones was chunky. I'm sure you'll figure it out in the video at the side. Kylie and Danny, so they're like blue that turn slightly purple. So yeah, really love this collection. Love like that it is nothing that Magpie have taken out before. So definitely if you're at the beauty show, try and get your hands on them. And what else came with these? Oh, the autumn leaves. Have you guys seen these? So these are little tiny autumn leaves. They are like pinky, greeny, bluey. They're two-toned as well, so they'll change in the light. I cannot wait to encapsulate them in clear. And then we've got some of the dots as well. I'm missing one set, but these are the pink ones and the purple ones. They don't have names, but Sarah has done loads of swatches on the Magpie Instagram page, so check that out if you want to see swatches as well. I also got some gold, silver and bronze leaf. I'm very late to the game with this, but these are fab for doing nail art. You know, you can cut it up and put it on tiny flakes in the nails. It's really nice for marble. Sarah did a really nice design using the gold leaf and the autumn leaves on a swatch on the Instagram too, so check that out for any inspiration. We also have the new Little Magic. Do you know what that message is? That's Sarah telling us the new gels are released for us. yeah, so if you don't know, well, you'll know now that the 𝗀𝗶𝗽𝗶 gel collection is coming as well. So this is going to be 12 gels. I'm pretty sure they look absolutely beautiful. You guys are going to love them. They're ready for educators to get now. So what day are we on? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I should have them by Monday, so I'll hopefully get a video up next week showing you those swatches and comparisons. So keep your keep your eyes peeled on my page for that. But yeah, next we have a wee little shape bender. So what you do is you put your little leaf or whatever you're using into the base of the heart. You use this to squash it down, and what it's going to do is curve the shape to fit your natural nail so that nothing's sticking out. So this is an absolutely brilliant idea, so I can't wait to start using that. And to go with that, we've got some more shapes. So yeah, I got some new shapes. I got the steampunk shapes, and I've also got 4 other sets of shapes here, but Sarah hasn't put them on the Instagram page yet or anywhere, so you guys are gonna have to wait. But yeah, there are lots of new little shapes coming, you know, the little thin slices even. They're super good for nail art because they're so thin and easy to use. I've got some tools. I'm really late to the game with these as well. We've got new pinchers. These are mini pinchers, which I love. All other pinchers that I use are like out to here, so then you've got to faff around loads. These are nice and neat and are gonna pinch your nails. And then we've also got these spring scissors. They've got a nice wee cap and they spring open like that, and they're gonna be perfect for cutting your forms, cutting anything really, but especially for cutting your forms, getting in with your clients there to taper them. So yeah, that is everything that I had to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.